right now we are at Savannah, Georgia. My flight this morning was at 6:30 a.m. So I've been up since 3 a.m. I landed and now it's currently 10:30. Before I went to this cafe, it's called Empanadas and Pastries. And I got this hazelnut iced latte and lemon tart. The lemon tart was the best lemon tart I've ever had. Today we're going to visit some of the famous landmarks in Savannah. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to Charleston for a day and a half to conclude our trip. So we just came out from the hitch. We ordered a tuna taco. The taco was really good. I like the seasoning on it. And then we also got a pot pie. That one was a bit too salty. Now we're going to go to the last bookstore. This is so cute. This is a college? This is the Savannah College of Art and Design. So today in Savannah, the weather is 80 degrees, which is so different from New York. Because in New York, it's 60 degrees. And I think I'm the only one in long sleeves in this town right now. Also, the houses here are so pretty. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. And the trees, wow. Yeah, so in this town, it doesn't even feel like fall. It feels like summer. And I'm sweating today. We are so thirsty. And guess what? We found the combo tea. I got a green milk tea with bubbles, large, because I'm so thirsty.
Number 17, strawberry milk slush.
So our cocktail and oyster just arrived. We got 10 pieces of the basic oyster, and these two right here are from their local island. They're called salt bomb oyster. May got the Sazerac, and I got the Savannah Breeze. My cocktail is very good. Is it sweet? Try it? It's sweet. This is the southern way of eating the oyster. You put it on a cracker and then you put oyster sauce and horseradish and some lime or lemon.
Oh. How's it?
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
All I taste is the cracker. Good morning. Today is day 2 and also our last day in Savannah. We're going to pack up our stuff and get ready to check out from our hotel to head to brunch at the Colin, and then we're going to take our bus to head to Charleston for the rest of the day and also for tomorrow. We just got to Charleston and we got off the bus. Now we're waiting inside the bus terminal station to wait for our Lyft driver to come pick us up to drive us to our hotel, which is in downtown Charleston. The Greyhound bus terminal is on North Charleston, so yeah. I mean, right now, Charleston is very different from Savannah. Savannah, there's like a lot of people. Here in North Charleston, there's not that many people, and all the houses are further away from each other. This is the view from our hotel. Down there, there's a swimming pool. We're probably not going to have the chance to use the pool. And then this is the other side of our view. Currently now it's 3 p.m. We have just checked in and settled into our hotel. The hotel we got is called Courtyard Charleston Waterfront. I really like this hotel. I liked it more than our previous one because the view here is so much nicer. I mean, the hotel that we got at Savannah is pretty nice too, but it's just like near the airport, so there's less things to see. The weather here is very different from Savannah. So yesterday at Savannah it was 80 degrees. It was really warm and sunny. Here it's more like 60 to 70 degrees and kind of cloudy. So we're going to wear another layer because it's kind of chilly outside. Also, right now we're on the west side of Charleston. We're going to walk for 45 minutes to head to the historical district, which is more on the east side. Our bus ride from Savannah to Charleston was like 2 hours, so we don't want to like sit in the car anymore, and I think like walking and just like taking in the view is just better for the whole traveling experience.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
It's currently 9 in the morning. We're going to pack up our stuff and check out from our hotel. We're going to go to Cypress Gardens first to row a boat on the swamp, and then grab lunch, and then call a cab to go to Magnolia Plantation and Gardens. Our flight is at 7 p.m. tonight, so hopefully we could finish everything on time. And then that will conclude the rest of our trip. This is the Cypress Garden. They decorated the place for Halloween, so there's a spider on the tree, skeleton, and it looks like we're the only ones here. which is perfect. That means we don't have to be worried about waiting in line for the boat. Oh, actually, there seems to be some people over there. This is the map of the garden. So, right now we are right here. We're gonna go here to the boat dock to row the boat along the swamp. Hopefully we'll see some alligators. And yeah, I'm so excited. We're going to get our boat. I got the 3-piece combo, a thigh and 2 drumsticks.
That we talked about earlier is along the side of the road. The tree in the pond is what we call the Capello tree. Magnolia is the very last of the large romantic gardens found in all of the United States.